staying here on the barge and on the biggest lake in Norway, Moisa Lake. On that lake we are doing some geotechnical survey for a new bridge. We're doing the survey throughout sonic sampling with a normal core barrel, push sample for undisturbed sampling, and we do also the CPTU testing.
So they're planning on building a new bridge, replacing the bridge that's in our background, and they need some data to be able to engineer the bridge foundation. They're planning on doing some piles here, and we're accomplishing that with coring and CPT.
We're doing the CPTU testing till extreme depth. First we're going to go to a water table from 80 meters. Then we'll start testing with the CPTU, so that means from 80 meters down till plus minus 140 meters.
The CPT is, we're seeing it going on in the background. It's pretty much a sampler that's being pushed into the ground, recording data as it's being pushed down, and with that data they can draw conclusions on how well the soil is and how deep they're going to have to do the foundation later on for the bridge.
First we start with a 10-inch casing. It's the bottom of it just barely in the lake bed, or a little bit, and inside that we go down with a 6/5/8 casing. At the end of the 3-inch is a bulk lamp. That's the actual CPT machine. We lower that down all the way till the lake bed. In that we lower down the cone with the CPT rods. It goes through the bulk lamp, and when it's just touching the ground we go up and down with the bulk lamp, and while doing it pushing the cone through in the ground. Measuring the parameters, they're saved on deck on the computer.
Our company chose sonic drilling because it's perfect for soft rock formations, silt, gravel. Yeah, I definitely would recommend sonic. I mean, it's for us, it's got its special applications where we use it, where we're very competitive with it because we can go at a higher speed, and either they get good quality samples in softer formations or they get good qualities in hard rock. And with this machine we can give them both in one machine.